Okay, thanks for joining me. I just want to go over a couple of quick things. I've basically got Claude to build me some videos, and I'm going to show you those videos now, just so you get an idea what can be done with Claude. So let's just look at a couple of quick videos I made basically for a fashion shoot. Let me just load them up. Here we go. Hopefully music doesn't get...
Feel the new you. It's your...
So there's one. I'm not going to play all the music because I'll probably get copyright striked even though it's my music. Let's just put the next one up.
Feel the new.
Did it in portrait style.
Feel the new. Feel the new you.
I think these are really good.
It's your mom.
So, you may want to know how I did that. So basically, what I did is, I took a YouTube channel, used NotebookLM. Let me just show you NotebookLM, which is an underrated tool. So I've got NotebookLM, I've got all these sources that I've got from other people's YouTube channels. I just highlighted and made a notebook out of them, like I've got 40 sources here for this editing tool. And I basically asked Claude, I said, Claude, you've got access to NotebookLM. I want you to create a skills file, an MD file, with all the knowledge from all these videos. So we've got all these knowledge with Remotion, I don't know where this all came from, all over at shop, I think. How to use Blender, Google VO3, all that good stuff. And it created an MD file. So then, basically asked it to make some prompts. I'll show you prompts it's made, no secret. Let's put this over there for you. Oops, is that the prompt? That's not the right one. 2 seconds, let me move this over here so you can see it. So it made all these prompts for me. But it's basically got the knowledge of all that information. So how we're doing it, we're making character sheets. It's giving me whatever I need for the shoot and basically gives me instructions what to do. So all that is with Claude's knowledge that it's just gained out of NotebookLM. Let me just close that down and let's show you what we've started with. So we're in Google Flow. It is designed to be multi-purpose, so you can use it for CDANs and any other video for it. So we've created this model, nice basic character sheet, so we can see a front, back, side, so we get all the details that we need. Go back, and then I basically use the character sheet and give it the prompt with some Prada clothes on. Perfect. So then all we do is, for the videos, we just open add it, and you just use the prompt, that video. So we would just add that prompt there, and then on the script that we just got, place the video in, and it creates the video. Same again, this time we use the character sheet with wearing jewellery, and then another one. We just followed the prompt. Don't quite know what's wrong with Google at the minute, but it won't play videos properly. Sure, it gets a bit stuck. Didn't used to do that. It used to play videos. Like press play video. It's not playing at the moment. I don't know if it's my device or whatever, but you can see if we just go through it, makes the video. Keeps the consistency of the character, and we just download them at 1080 because it's free. And I just gave those videos in my Telegram chat. Let me just show you. I'll just show you Telegram chat so you see what's exactly going on. So in my Telegram chat, let's open that so you can go back down to there. You can see what videos it's made. And all I did, and it's only took about, I don't know, 30 minutes. I give it the raw videos and it puts them together. What I've done this one, I've done a horizontal and a vertical one so I can use TikTok or whatever. Give it keep feeding it. Tells me if it's a good shot or a bad shot, if I need to redo it or it's happy with it because it's got a lot of high standard. Creates the final video. We'll just keep moving through it with the branding. But the idea of this is to do some Upwork work and get some jobs for making videos, which, you know, is ideal, isn't it? And you can see it finishes. That took all about 30 minutes. At the moment, I'm trying to get it to make a picture-in-picture, so it's running. It's just done one now. So let's have a look at this one. Let's see what this is like. So I basically asked it to do a vertical one and a vertical one and horizontal side by side. Why is it no volume? Let's go send download. Let's download that so we can see if it's actually done it properly. Volume. But I think that makes a really good video for a fashion shoot. What do you think? Comments below and all that good stuff. All this was in my operating system for my Claude. It does pretty much anything I want now. I do a lot of KDP, but these videos, I just thought I'd share it, how you do it, and it's just remarkably easy. Let me go back to Notebook so you can quickly see Note. It's an underrated one, is Notebook. I made some stuff earlier. I made some videos earlier with it, but I don't got my Notebook most recent. Yeah, I've probably lost. But I did just come out. I did download one earlier today. So let's go here. I don't know when it downloaded to 23 hours ago. Let's see what we made some other stuff with Notebook. Oh, that's a JSON file. I don't want to open that. But yeah, waffling on. So you can make Notebook an ultimate brain in your Claude Code. And it creates the MD file. I'm using Fable 5 at the minute because it's the best one. But that means from now on, when Fable 5 goes, my system's already in place with the highest framework, so it knows what to do, so I won't have any issues. I just thought I'd share that quick insight with you. If you like it, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. But, you know, all this is in Omni, and I think it does a really, really good job. Thank you very much for watching.